Hey, what's going on, Kick family? And as you know, we are in Surf Safe month, so today we're going to talk about time and temperature control. Some foods grow bacteria more easily and quickly than other foods. These foods are known as time temperature control for safety, TCS Foods, because they require certain time and temperature control to prevent unsafe bacteria growth and entering into the temperature danger zone. What is the temperature danger zone, you might ask? It's the temperature range between 40 and 141 degrees Fahrenheit. Bacteria grow more rapidly in this range of temperatures, doubling in numbers in as little as 20 minutes. This range of temperatures is often called the temperature danger zone, so you should never leave food out of refrigeration for over 2 hours. Step 1. We need to break our stock down into smaller containers. Splitting the stock in half ensures that the stock will cool much quicker, especially since we're racing against getting our stock out of the temperature danger zone in 4 hours or less. Step 2. You want to place the containers of stock into an ice bath, covering the entirety of the container without a lid. And the first milestone we're up against is getting this stock from our start temperature, which was 170 degrees Fahrenheit, to under 70 degrees Fahrenheit in 2 hours. Remember, if you fail this step, you must reheat the stock back up to 165 and begin the process again so the 4-hour clock starts over. But if you're successful with step 2, then you can continue on to step 3, and that's getting the temperature from 70 degrees Fahrenheit to under 40 degrees Fahrenheit within the next 2 hours. If that step is completed, you have successfully managed to take a TCS food item through the temperature danger zone safely. Now that item can be frozen or go directly under refrigeration until you're ready to use it. I want to thank you guys for checking this video out. I'll catch you next week.